we're going to go into Stag Hill. And Stag Hill is a collection that is completely different than I thought it was going to be. When I was reading about this, I was reading and it said tartan plaids, greens, the stag antlers were going to be in this collection, and I thought to myself, that kind of sounds a little bit like Outlander. If you've ever watched the Outlander series or read all the books about the Scottish castles and Jamie and Claire, and I kind of got a little romantic about thinking about it because it's a kind of romantic book and show, and if you're watching it, you know what I mean. If not, go ahead and watch the show, you'll know what I'm talking about. But when we got here, I saw a kind of different feel. The designer did a fantastic job of merging together not only the antlers and the feathers that you see from nature and from the animals and from kind of that lodge sort of look, but also with the very soft black velvet ribbons. The ribbons kind of gave it a little bit more of a feminine feel. Now the ornaments on this tree are also quite exquisite. They put them together in pairs, like this pair right back here. See, they put the smaller one with the oblong one together and hung them, which that's a little bit different. Here it is again. Okay, but do you see this one back here? And it's kind of hard to see, and I'm going to try to pull another one out. This has a glass finish on the outside, but the inside is a marbled 3-color mix, and that is a very exquisite ornament. But then I get sidetracked because I love that ornament back there next to the stag, and then I love these drops. And these drops are gorgeous, and you've got this one that's heavier on the end but long and cylindrical, and then you have this one that's even, and this nice green color. It's just beautiful. I just absolutely love the drops. So I can't decide what my favorite ornaments on this tree happen to be. And then they're not quite done. They've got these stems they put in here with magnolia leaves, and the magnolia leaves are a slightly different green. It's going to tie in here in a moment. All the greens are just slightly different than what I anticipated with red plaid. So, you know, you just never know. But the designer really shocked me when we came around the tree and we're looking at the beautiful, this one's in the gold. I love it in the gold, I like it in the dark green, both of them. This is another example, Janet, right here. I'll show you this one. The gold and then the green. They've got that matte finish on them. Beautiful to pull all the colors together. But this is what really got me. And I stood here and I looked at it. And today I was watching some customers as they came through. I was outside in the window and I saw 2 women come through the sales rep. One woman came in and she stopped. And if you've ever watched your customers, sorry, no problem. Couple customers still. When the customer came in, she stopped here and the sales rep was talking and I could just imagine what she was saying. And the lady went like this. And you know what this means when your customer does this? Oh, I'm emotional. This is getting my heart. And the other customer did this. So when you see your customer shopping in the store, what are they doing when they do this? They're thinking, oh, I've got some ideas here, and I'm thinking. Well, I was the same way when I saw it, because you do see the gold, the tarnished gold look of the deer here and with the trees, and you see a little bit of the tarnished gold on the magnolia leaves and on the underside here. But what you really are drawn to is the stitched ribbon. And this is a black velvet stitched ribbon with the red and the gold and the green. And it really just brings all of these colors together. I think whoever came up with this entire idea took the Scottish tartan plaid, gave it a softer feminine feel, but made something that was spectacular and majestic.